class, welcome back. Today I want to share with you a heartwarming story that will touch your heart and remind you of the transformating power of kindness and compassion. Let's start. In a small town nestled in the rolling hills of the countryside, there lived a mysterious piano man. No one knew his name or his past, but his music was enchanting. Every evening, the piano man would play his piano on the town square, fill the air with the beautiful melodies. People from all walks of life would gather to listen, mesmerized by the music. One cold winter evening, a young girl named Sophia wandered into the town square, shivering with hunger and loneliness. The piano man noticed her and began to play a gentle, soothing melody. As Sophia listened, she felt a warmth spread through her body, and her heart began to heal. The piano man played on his music, weaving a spell of comfort and peace around Sophia. As the night wore on, Sophia returned every evening to listen to the piano man's music. She had sit on the edge of the square, her eyes closed, letting the melodies wash over her. The townspeople noticed the change in Sophia and began to share what little food and clothing they had with her. Slowly, Sophia's life began to transform. Years passed and Sophia grew into a confident, kind-hearted woman. She never forgot the pianist man's gift, the music that had healed her heart and brought her community together. One day, Sophia decided to thank the piano man. She approached him as he played and with tears in her eyes. She said, "Your music saved me. It gave me hope and a sense of belonging." The piano man looked up, his eyes twinkling, and smiled. "Music is a gift," he said. "It's meant to be shared, to bring people together, and to heal the heart." And with that, the piano man continued playing, his music filling the air, a reminder of the transformating power of kindness and compassion. Moral: the story teaches us that 1. Kindness can transform lives. The piano man's music and the townspeople's generosity changed Sophia's life forever. 2. Music has the power to heal. The piano man's melodies soothed Sophia's heart and brought comfort to the community. 3. Community is a key. The townspeople's support and care for Sophia's demonstrate the importance of coming together to help one another. Thank you for watching The Piano Man's Gift. I hope this heartwarming story inspired you to spread kindness and compassion to your own community. And one thing, don't forget to subscribe my channel.